This expert locksmith cracked this old vault open without the code. How did he do it? A vault may sound like a great investment when it comes to keeping your valuables safe, but anyone can tell you that with enough effort and a lot of determination, virtually any safe can be cracked eventually. Of course, some vaults are built stronger than others, so that's where some help from your friendly neighborhood locksmith could really come in handy. A particularly strong-looking old with a few $100s in cash and coins, the majority of it being in $2 bills, the rarest form of currency in the United States. Unfortunately, their rarity still doesn't make $2 bills worth a whole lot when it comes down to selling them. Collectors of rare currency are sure to have at least one $2 bill already in their collection. While he may not have found bars of gold or rare jewels hidden within the old vault, Unkapier was still quite pleased with how his project had turned out. Putting his skills to the test has always been the most rewarding part for him, rather than whatever's actually inside of the safe that he's cracking on that particular day. It's incredible to see how something that was locked down so tightly can still be opened with just some time, a lot of patience, and of course a locksmithing ability of a guy like Unkapier. What did you think you'd find inside the old vault? Let us know in the comments section below, and then don't forget to like this story, and be sure to subscribe for more just like it.